Dust is everywhere. It's an omnipresent part of our daily lives, often unnoticed but always there. It's in the air we breathe, settling on our furniture and accumulating in the corners of our homes. It clings to our clothes, making its presence known with every brush and shake. But what exactly is dust? It's a complex mix of things: dead skin cells, pet hair, and even tiny particles from the outdoors. It also contains pollen, dirt, and other microscopic debris that float in from the outside world. Dust can be more than just a nuisance. It can be harmful to our health, triggering allergies, asthma, and other respiratory problems. This invisible enemy is especially dangerous for vulnerable groups like children and the elderly, whose respiratory systems are more sensitive. To combat this, we must be vigilant in our cleaning efforts. Regular dusting and vacuuming are essential in keeping our living spaces safe. A clean home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthy environment where we can thrive. By maintaining a dust-free home, we can ensure that we breathe easy and live healthier lives. Let's take action against this invisible enemy and create a sanctuary of cleanliness and health. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community made for women. And get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Imagine a home free from dust, a place where the air is clean and fresh, a sanctuary for your health and well-being. A dust-free home is a healthier home. You'll breathe easier, sleep better, and feel more energized. Allergies will lessen, and you'll be less likely to get sick. It's not just about health. A clean home is a happy home. It sparks joy and creates a sense of peace and tranquility. My home is too dusty. I can never keep up. Does this sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people struggle with dust. It seems like an endless battle. But there is hope. With the right approach, you can win this war. The secret? It's not just about cleaning. It's about preventing dust from accumulating in the first place. And it all starts with decluttering. Clutter is a dust magnet. The more things you have, the more surfaces dust can settle on. Decluttering is your first step to a dust-free home. Go through each room and assess your belongings. Keep only the items that spark joy and serve a purpose. Let go of the rest. Remember, less is more. By reducing clutter, you'll create more space for the things you love and make cleaning a breeze. Tidy home, tidy mind. Organizing your way to dust-free living. A clean and organized home not only looks great, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. Once you've decluttered, it's time to organize. Start by sorting your items into categories. This will help you see what you have and decide what you need to keep. A well-organized home is easier to clean and less likely to gather dust. Regularly dust and clean your surfaces to maintain a fresh and healthy environment. Find a place for everything. Designate specific spots for your belongings to ensure everything has a home. This makes it easier to put things away and keep your space tidy. Use boxes, baskets, and shelves to keep your belongings tidy and dust-free. These storage solutions help contain items and prevent dust from settling on them. Label everything clearly so you can find what you need quickly. Embrace vertical storage. Labels make it easy to identify contents at a glance, saving you time and effort. Utilize wall space with shelves and hooks to maximize storage and minimize dust-collecting surfaces. Vertical storage solutions free up floor space and keep your home looking neat and organized. Consider using hooks for items like bags and coats to keep them off the floor and reduce clutter. Before we move on, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community made for women and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Choosing your weapon against dust. A good vacuum cleaner is essential for battling dust. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Consider your needs. Do you have pets, carpets, hardwood floors? Different vacuum cleaners are designed for different purposes. For pet hair, choose a vacuum with strong suction and a specialized brush roll. For hard-to-reach areas, a handheld vacuum is ideal. Robot vacuums are great for daily maintenance. Microfiber magic, the ultimate dust-busting ally. Microfiber cloths are your secret weapon against dust. Their tiny fibers trap and hold dust, unlike traditional cloths that just spread it around. Use a damp microfiber cloth to dust furniture, shelves, and electronics. For delicate surfaces, use a dry cloth. Wash your cloths regularly to maintain their effectiveness. Microfiber cloths are reusable and environmentally friendly. They're a must-have for any dust-free cleaning routine. Top-down triumph, mastering the art of dust-free cleaning. When cleaning, start from the top and work your way down. This prevents dust from falling onto already cleaned surfaces. Begin by dusting ceiling fans, light fixtures, and high shelves. Then move to furniture, windowsills, and baseboards. Finally, vacuum or mop the floors. By following this simple logic, you'll ensure a truly dust-free clean every time. High traffic zones. Winning the dust battle where it matters most. Certain areas in our homes experience higher foot traffic and tend to accumulate dust faster. These areas require more frequent attention. Entryways, hallways, and living rooms are prime examples. Pay extra attention to these zones when cleaning. Consider placing doormats at entrances to trap dirt and dust. Regularly vacuuming or sweeping these areas will prevent dust from spreading. Let the fresh air in, the power of ventilation. Good air circulation is crucial for a dust-free home. Open windows and doors whenever possible to let fresh air in and flush out dust particles. Use fans to circulate air and prevent dust from settling. Ceiling fans are particularly effective at keeping the air moving. Fresh air is not only good for removing dust, but also improves your mood and overall well-being. Routine is key. Make consistent efforts for a dust-free haven. Consistency is key to maintaining a dust-free home. Establish a regular cleaning routine and stick to it as much as possible. Even a quick 15-minute tidy-up each day can make a big difference. Focus on high-traffic areas and surfaces that accumulate dust quickly. Make dusting a habit. Carry a microfiber cloth with you and quickly dust surfaces whenever you notice dust buildup. Air purifiers, your secret weapon for a pristine home. Air purifiers are an excellent investment for those serious about eliminating dust. They work by filtering the air and removing dust particles, allergens, and other pollutants. Choose an air purifier with a HEPA filter, as these are the most effective at trapping dust mites and other allergens. Place air purifiers in rooms where you spend the most time, such as bedrooms and living areas, for maximum benefit. Prevention is better than cure. Dust can accumulate quickly, making your home look untidy and potentially causing allergies or respiratory issues. Preventing dust from entering your home is just as important as removing it. By taking a few proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the amount of dust that settles in your living space. Here are some simple preventative measures. Start by gathering the right cleaning supplies. A good vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter, microfiber cloths, and a quality duster are essential tools in your dust-fighting arsenal. Place doormats at all entrances to trap dirt and dust before it enters your home. Make sure to shake out and clean these doormats regularly to ensure they remain effective. Encourage family members and guests to remove their shoes at the door. Shoes can track in a significant amount of dirt and dust, so having a designated spot for shoes can help keep your floors cleaner. Wash bedding regularly in hot water to kill dust mites. Dust mites thrive in bedding, so frequent washing can help keep their numbers down and reduce allergens in your home. Use dust mite-proof covers for mattresses and pillows. These covers create a barrier that prevents dust mites from settling in your bedding, making it easier to keep your sleeping environment clean. These simple steps can significantly reduce dust in your home. Regular cleaning and maintenance are key to keeping dust at bay. Dust surfaces with a damp cloth to trap dust particles rather than just moving them around. Remember, a dust-free home is a happier and healthier home. A clean environment can improve your overall well-being and make your home a more pleasant place to live. By following these tips, you can create a sanctuary where you can breathe easy and enjoy life to the fullest. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a dust-free home, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Spending quality time with your loved ones. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite tip. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.